Are you ready to sail through the unpredictable tides of today's market? With tech stocks soaring and financials in turmoil, there's much to explore. Welcome to AI Finance Buddy, your guide to the latest market trends and top stock movers. Today, the tech sector shines, fueled by Morgan Stanley's stellar earnings, while Wells Fargo and Omnicom face challenges. We'll highlight key stock movers, from Fastenal's steady rise to Morgan Stanley's record revenue, but beware of Omnicom's turbulent forecast. We'll also uncover vital financial strategies, like reverse dollar cost averaging, to safeguard your investments in uncertain times. And don't miss the inspiring journey of Sofia Marino, who transformed her €30,000 investment into €45,000 through wise decisions. Stay with us to unlock the secrets of thriving in today's financial landscape. Your journey to financial empowerment begins now. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. Today, the market breathes a mixed air. Investors are caught between strong earnings and cautious economic whispers. The technology sector shines, fueled by Morgan Stanley's remarkable equity trading surge. Yet, the financial sector feels the strain, with Wells Fargo and Omnicom facing revenue hurdles. In this landscape of surprises and concerns, investors remain vigilant. Let's look at the top 3 biggest stock movers. Fastenal stands tall in industrial supplies, reporting steady earnings of 52 cents per share and a 3.4% revenue rise. This consistency breeds confidence, supported by a solid price-to-earnings ratio of 39.97. Yet, watch for potential supply chain storms. Morgan Stanley shines brightly, posting an earnings per share of $2.60, far surpassing expectations. A 45% leap in equity trading propelled its record revenue to $17.74 billion. This performance showcases its strength in market volatility, but caution is wise regarding wealth management slowdowns. Omnicom faces a stormy forecast, with Citigroup predicting a price drop to $32, nearly 57% lower. Despite expected revenue growth, a decline in earnings per share raises red flags. Investors should tread carefully amid this volatility. Today's market reveals a vibrant tech sector, while financials navigate uncertainty. Keep a watchful eye on upcoming earnings from major banks and tech giants. In these shifting tides, knowledge and adaptability are your guiding stars. Embrace the journey, for every challenge holds the seed of opportunity. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS, are like a guardian for your wealth, a U.S. government bond that shields your money from the relentless march of inflation. TIPS are like a balloon, expanding gracefully as prices rise, ensuring your investment retains its value, no matter the economic storm. Cyclical stocks are like a thrilling roller coaster ride, where the ups and downs mirror the economy's pulse. They soar when people travel and spend, but when the economy dips, the ride can feel a bit daunting. Think of a collateralized debt obligation, or CDO, as a delicious pizza, each slice a mix of loans bundled together. Each slice carries its own flavor of risk, allowing you to choose how spicy or mild you want your investment experience to be. In the world of finance, understanding these instruments is key. They are not just numbers, they are pathways to securing your future. Embrace them, and let your financial journey unfold with confidence. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's explore why Fastenal shines as a brilliant investment choice. Here are 3 powerful financial indicators that set Fastenal apart. First, it has a low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.134. Fastenal stands strong, relying little on borrowed funds. This low ratio reflects financial stability, allowing the company to weather storms with confidence. Second, it boasts a high current ratio of 4.67. With ample cash and assets, Fastenal is well prepared to meet its short-term obligations. Think of it as a robust emergency fund, ensuring resilience through economic fluctuations. Third, it has a strong return on equity of 32.55%. This figure reveals how effectively Fastenal turns investors' money into profits. A high return on equity signifies efficiency and potential for growth, a beacon for investors. Yet, be mindful of risks. The industrial and construction sectors can face challenges from global trade issues, tariffs, or economic slowdowns, which may affect Fastenal's performance. In summary, with its solid financial foundation and strategic market position, Fastenal is poised for sustainable growth in the coming year. Embrace the opportunity. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Picture this, you crave a taste of every delightful cake in a bakery, but you don't want to break the bank. That's the magic of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. They gather a mix of stocks, making it simple and affordable to invest in many companies at once. This is vital for long-term growth, as it spreads risk and fosters steadier returns. Now, envision the MSCI World Index as a global guide to the finest bakeries, featuring stocks from 23 developed nations. By investing in the MSCI World, you're not just placing your money in one spot, you're diversifying across the globe, safeguarding your investments while enhancing your potential rewards. Lately, the MSCI World Index has been in the spotlight, tracking stocks from countries like the US and Korea. Foreign governments are responding to US trade penalties, creating ripples that can affect companies in the index, especially in North America. In Korea, some stocks may be removed from the MSCI index due to a shrinking market presence. This matters because a stock's removal can diminish its value, much like a once popular item losing its charm. Meanwhile, MSCI Incorporated, the index's creator, saw its stock rise recently, thanks to DRW Securities investing in it, a sign of confidence in its future. So, stay alert, global trade and market shifts can shape the MSCI World Index and its stocks. Investing carries risks, think long-term and avoid using urgent funds. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. Reverse dollar cost averaging is a vital strategy for retirement. It's the moment when you shift from planting seeds to harvesting your investments. Instead of adding money regularly, you begin to withdraw a set amount over time. Picture your investments as a flourishing garden. When it's time to reap the rewards, you want to gather a little each month. If the garden thrives, you can take more. But in a drought, during a market downturn, you must tread carefully. Withdraw less to protect the future growth of your garden. Imagine planning to withdraw $1,000 monthly. In a booming market, that's easy. But if the market falters, consider pulling back. Adjust your spending to safeguard your investments. Embrace a flexible withdrawal plan. This adaptability allows you to navigate market shifts and ensures your savings endure throughout retirement. Stay vigilant, watch your investments, and adjust your withdrawals as needed. In this dance of giving and receiving, remember, your financial future is a garden that flourishes with care and wisdom. Chapter 6, Real Stories of Financial Success. In the heart of Lisbon, Portugal, Sofia Marino, a passionate interior designer, embarked on a remarkable financial journey from 2018 to 2023. With a vision and determination, she saved €500 each month, laying the foundation for her dreams. Sofia dove deep into the world of investments, choosing a blend of ETFs like the iShares Core MSCI World UCITS ETF and the Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF. This smart diversification not only reduced her risk but also harnessed the power of global market growth. By 2023, her initial investment of €30,000 blossomed into an impressive €45,000, a testament to her discipline and the magic of compound interest. Sofia's story reminds us, with steady saving, wise investing, and a thirst for knowledge, financial freedom is within our grasp. It's never too late to invest in your future. Chapter 7, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. Thank you for being with us today. Let's recap the key insights we shared. The market is mixed. The tech sector thrives, led by Morgan Stanley, while financials struggle. Fastenal and Morgan Stanley shine, but Omnicom raises caution for investors. We uncovered Treasury inflation-protected securities, which shield against inflation, cyclical stocks that dance with the economy, and collateralized debt obligations that simplify investments. Mastering these terms is vital for your financial journey. Fastenal stands out as our top choice today, with a low debt-to-equity ratio, a high current ratio, and impressive return on equity. Yet, be aware of potential risks in the industrial sector. ETFs are a smart way to diversify, like sampling various cakes without overspending. The MSCI World Index offers global exposure, but stay vigilant to market changes that may affect it. We discussed reverse dollar cost averaging, a strategy for retirement withdrawals. Adjusting your withdrawals based on market conditions is key to protecting your investments and ensuring a sustainable future. Sofia Marino's journey from saving €500 a month to growing her investments to €45,000 shows the power of discipline and smart investing. Her story reminds us that financial freedom is within reach. Today, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and trying $10 in a fractional share of our top pick, Fastenal, both with 1-to-1 leverage to highlight cautious, diversified investing. Before we close, let's debunk a financial myth. The rich don't pay taxes. Truth: wealthy individuals use legal strategies but still pay significant taxes. High-income earners contribute most income tax in developed countries. Tax planning is for everyone. Spend a few minutes today researching a new investment type you haven't considered. Share your thoughts in the comments. Small steps lead to big financial success. As we wrap up, remember to research, test strategies, and consult a financial advisor before making decisions. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay informed. Join us next time as we continue to build your financial knowledge. We welcome your thoughts, questions, and topic suggestions in the comments. Enabling notifications ensures you never miss valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.